Hello and welcome everybody. Marcus Small here from thesmallman.com. Today I'm going to show you how you can conditionally format cells using the cell format. So look at these cells here. What we're going to do is we're going to give them a conditional color. They're a bit dull the way they look now, so they're basically just the single color. We've got a bit more pizzazz happening there, but we're going to try and send it through the roof basically. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically conditionally format by control 1. So we're basically going to bring up the format cells menu and we're going to come up with a custom color. So what I've got over here is a number of, 56 colors that we can potentially use, yeah? But I'll show you how to do it the most basic way, and then we'll start to bring in the colors over to the right. Now what I thought I might do is, rather than pushing the formula into the conditional formatting cells, so in here where it's very small and hard to see, I thought I'd do it in a cell. It gives us a bit of flexibility at any rate. So I'll throw the cell format into this particular area. So we start off with a square bracket. We have to say the color we want for the positive number. So I'll just say green, yeah? And now we have to put the condition. So it's square bracket, and the condition is where it's greater than 0. That's our condition, yeah? Now I'll diverge a little bit. We can put sort of interesting things like a plus symbol and push them over to the side. But what I thought we might do is push a symbol in. So we'll go insert, and we'll insert a symbol. And the symbol that we want to use is this one just here, yeah? So it's under Arial, so you won't see it straight away. So if Arial pops up, just go down towards the bottom. I think it's above these Arabic. It's easy because I've had it, oh there it was. So basically it's about sort of 80% of the way down. So just click on that little dot and click insert, yeah? And then close. All right, good stuff. Now we do a space. The space is important. Multiplication sign sends that to the far left, yeah? And then space afterwards. That space, space wildcard character space, that's important, yeah? Now we put the format that we want for the cell. So it's 0.0%, yeah? Now that's 50% of the equation. Now we finish with the semicolon, yeah? Now, rather than writing it again, what I'd do traditionally would just be copy it and then drop the other half over here. We then change the green to red, yeah? This isn't required. The condition is not required because it can only take 2 conditions. So we say green, red, and then I'll put brackets around these guys just here, yeah? So effectively that's our formatting code. So let's have a look at what that looks like. So let's copy it. So highlight the range, copy. Now I'll just put it on a single cell so we can have a feel for what it looks like. So we'll go control 1 and then we'll choose custom and then just drop it under the type section. So paste. And we'll click OK, and then we should see the data pop in there. And if we send it down, there wasn't enough room, you get an idea of what it looks like. But the green's a little on the pale side. It doesn't really stand out the way we might want it to. Now, these names here, these are the ones you get to direct enter. Notice I entered green. Well, that's the name there. I could have entered blue and that number and that color would have come out. Cyan, magenta, yellow. These are the ones you get with their direct name. Otherwise, their color code is here. 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 56. Now, I kind of like the color code here, number 23 and number 14. So we might do some tests using 14 and 23. So I think I'll turn this green into 14. So we'll highlight this whole range, control 1, and then we'll change this green to color. It's the American color, so it's COLOR, 14. All right, so that's in line with this color over here. So we'll click OK, and you can see it's much softer. It stands out a lot more, and I think it's an improvement, yeah? All right, so let's have a look at what the blue might look like. So we'll go equals that value. We don't get the formatting, I don't think. Oh, I do have the formatting. Let me just scarper the formatting all together, and we'll just go equals that value. Oh, it pulled it in. Let's pull it from above. Okay, equals. Well, with any luck, it won't. Oh, I guess it's. Oh no, I'm not quite sure why it's pulling the formatting in. Anyway, we'll adjust the formatting to suit. Yeah. So we'll go in Control 1, and I'll change color 14 to this one down here, color 23. So we'll change that to color 23. I'm quite happy with the red, but you could change the red. Say you wanted the red color to be a little deeper, so you could say, okay, instead of red, we'll have that at color 9. Yeah. Which is that color just there, color 9. All right, so we click OK, and that gives us an idea. I don't have the same sort of formatting. Let's go bold. Oh, it's not bold. It must just be a larger text font. And I don't want to copy the format from the cell next door, and I think that's got us on a like-for-like basis. Awesome. So that's given us a couple of ideas of what it might look like. I reckon it's a nice sort of caveat or a nice change from what you can do with conditional formatting. Yeah. So like if we were to conditionally format these cells, we might put some icon sets in there and then start to fiddle with those icon sets. Yeah. But I think it looks fantastic all by itself. You'll have your colleagues asking you, how on earth did you do that? Yeah. And I'll make this file available on my popular blog post that covers this topic. All right, everyone. Have a fantastic day. All right. Take care. Bye.